This is the current state of the J building. It is August 8th, 2011. I'm shooting this video for Vivian Pritchard to show her how much of the building is currently complete. Alright, we're on the ground floor inside one of the units. See, most of the finished plaster work is done. Just needs tile. Very nice views here on the first floor. This is a unit on the second floor. Looks to be in the same level of finish as the one on the first floor. Looks like all the plumbing's in, all the electrical. And this is the unit, Vivian, that Jeff is offering you to trade into. This will be your living room, dining room, kitchen. You have beautiful views. Be your second bedroom. Master bedroom here with your bath. Alright, across the way you got Bermuda Landing, Bermuda Beach. And still we need to put the roof on this unit.